I want to show you how I clean my bearings on my skates. What you will need is skates, cleaning solution, a blow dryer, 3-way tool, a towel, the Bones bearing cleaner, the Bones speed cream for oiling, and I'm gonna have my instructions too. This came with the Bones cleaner, and this is what I'm going to use to go through as I clean them. Oh yeah, and one item that I forgot to mention is gloves. You need to wear gloves if you're cleaning with something that is a solvent, something with stronger chemicals. Right, here we go. Let's do it. First, I need to remove the bearings from my skates. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're only spinning for maybe 1 second. That's really bad. So that means I did not clean my bearings enough or oil them like I'm supposed to. I am not the best example for skate maintenance, but I still want to provide an example in case it can help someone. And don't make the same mistake I did. You need 16 bearings, not 8. I only got 1 pack. So I think what I'm going to do is put some new bearings on and use some of the old ones and try my best to clean the old ones. I'm going to use a citrus-based cleaner because that's what I have at the house right now. However, it says that citrus-based cleaners work but can leave a slight oily residue on the bearing. Okay, so in order to combat that, after I clean them, I'll just run them under water, some hot water, and then blow dry them off. So that won't be that big of an issue. You need to remove the rubber tops from your bearings. Right here, I'm using a tiny 0.8 millimeter screwdriver, but you can use any small tool. Take your bearings and place them on the axle, metal rod on the lid, alternating from one bearing to one spacer until all 8 bearings are on the axle. For best results, make sure that the ball side of the bearing is facing upwards. Fasten them down finger tight onto the axle using the wing nut. Fill the bearing cleaning unit up about 1/3 of the way. And then shake the bottle for about 30 seconds. Shake until you are satisfied that your bearings are cleaned completely. To make sure they are clean, spin the bearings on the axle. They should spin freely. So, since it's not recommended to use citrus because it leaves oily residue, I'm going to run it under hot water for a few seconds. And it's okay to use water as long as you dry them off right away. Cool.
Oh, they're hot.
once the bearings are clean and dry, the next step is to lubricate them. We have found through the years of testing that blah, 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 blah. Put 2 drops of lubricant per bearing and spin the bearing between your fingers to distribute the lubricant throughout the entire bearing. I'm gonna do 3. So I'm going to put 2 of the bearings in. And see how they spin.
If this video was helpful to you, make sure that you hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all my latest tutorials.